Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best Capri Moisture-Wicking Yoga Leggings available right now. The GAYHAY 3-pack Capri Leggings for women. Whether you're cycling, doing yoga, or just looking for comfy loungewear, these leggings might just be your new favorite. So let's jump right in. Let's start with what makes these leggings stand out, the fabric. Made from a blend of 92% polyester and 8% spandex, they deliver a perfect combination of softness, stretch, and durability. The moment you slip into them, you'll notice the buttery smooth feel. The fabric is breathable, lightweight, and designed to be non-see-through, even when you're squatting or stretching during your workout. These are leggings you can truly move in without any worries. Now, one of the key highlights here is the tummy control feature. The GAYHAY leggings come with a 4.15-inch wide flat waistband that not only stays in place during intense activities like running or cycling, but also provides that flattering slim fit look many of us are after. This high-waisted design isn't just about aesthetics. It helps stabilize your core during workouts and ensures the leggings don't slip down mid-move. What's also impressive is how versatile they are. These aren't leggings you'll want to change out of after a gym session. Their sleek design makes them perfect for everything from lounging around at home to running errands or heading out on a casual day. And because they're moisture-wicking with a 4-way stretch, they keep you dry and comfortable throughout your activities, no matter the season. Sizes range from small, medium to XX large, ensuring a fit for a variety of body types. You can select the color combo that suits your style, with the classic black triple pack being a top choice. When it comes to maintenance, it doesn't get easier. They're machine washable and hold their shape and softness well over time, even after multiple washes. You won't find yourself dealing with annoying pilling or loose seams. If you're into yoga, Pilates, cycling, or general fitness, these are definitely worth trying. But they also work great for everyday wear, especially if you're someone who values comfort without compromising on style. They're a smart addition to your athleisure wardrobe, especially if you're looking to get a few solid pairs without breaking the bank. In summary, the GAYHAY 3-pack Capri Leggings check all the right boxes: comfort, stretch, tummy control, affordability, and style. Whether you're stretching into downward dog or curling up with a book, these leggings keep up with your pace and lifestyle. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on trending products. See you in the next video.